I think especially with the subject of the criminal justice system, it's easy to be judgmental and it's easy to be close-minded. So today, looking at it from a design point of view, I think lots of different avenues are going to be opened up and you're going to see things that you wouldn't have seen before and think things you wouldn't have thought before. I hope to get a fresh perspective of the subject and to take away from other professions as well. I'm sitting at a table with an interior designer, a man from the council and a man that has his own design business. So taking away from my own legal, analytical mind, I would like to be more open-minded.
I think in order to maybe tackle some of the issues in communities, it's important to get professionals to talk to each other and also to maybe talk to people in the community more as well, which could be a big challenge. And I think maybe design can help, break down those areas, basically.
I think institutions, will find this challenging. I think institutions will need to be open to new ideas and to actually not immediately put up barriers of, we couldn't possibly, that wouldn't possibly work, or that's not going to be able to fund that, or we're not going to be able to evaluate that properly. I think we need to try different approaches. Up to now, obviously, we've not got the answers, and so we can only improve.
What I really liked about today is that I found that design thinking can be used in justice and that you can learn about it even though you don't study design, because I'm a geographer and I feel that many people who don't study exactly, particularly what is needed for that environment, like improving healthcare or justice, they feel they can't make a difference, but everyone's view matters. And what I really liked is that if you're just a human that empathizes, you can come up with solutions that don't really have anything to do at first sight with the justice system to improve people's lives, because it's all about prevention and offering them what they need in the first place so that they don't end up getting into trouble in the first place.
This definitely has an impact on how you would take kind of criminal justice forward, because the person has to be at the centre of what you're doing. The person has to be considered. They need to be at the heart of what's going on, and in order to actually make improvements to the criminal justice service, you can't do it without putting them in it.